ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ओम्। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास 28 पृष्ठक्रमाङ्क 57 प्रथमः एकसंक्षिप्तरूपे अभ्यास 28 इति विषयः कः अस्ति इति। गौ शब्द, गौ which is page number whatever, I don't know. फिर निच प्रत्यय, we have started. निच प्रत्यये प्रथमः सत्यापपाश रूप वीणातुल, this whole श्लोक सूत्र, this चुरादिभ्यो निच सत्यापपाश रूप वीणातुल श्लोक सेनालोम त्वच वर्म वर्ण चूर्ण चुरादिभ्यो निच. That is the sutra. We'll find it on Ashtadhyayi. This one. This is the vidha. So there is, for each pratyaya that we will see, there is snich pratyaya, then to next week there will be san pratyaya, then shatrishanach, then taktavatu. All these pratyayas have one core sutra. This is one of the core sutras of nich pratyaya. This is in the next one, hetumaticha. So hetumaticha is of course much easier. This basically says in all these shabdas, nich will be used when the shabdas are itself used. Satyapapasha rupa veenatula shloka senaloma tvacha varma varna churana churadibhyo nich. In all these shabdas, nich pratyaya is used. The second thing that nich pratyaya had, so they have given hetumaticha also. Both are important sutras for this nich pratyaya, 3.125 and 3.126. पढ़ना पढ़वाना, लिखना लिखवाना हिंदी में, और संस्कृते कृ कारयति पठ पाठयति लिख लेखयति इतिवत्. अपि च there are some exceptions. Gati buddhi pratyavasanartha, this sutra basically says in all these shabdas there is an exception, in the sense when these shabdas are used, the shabda itself will not have any exception, but the karta will have an exception. So instead of, in normal usage, nich pratyaya karta becomes tritiya ekavachanam. But in these shabdas, nich pratyaya usage will have dvitiya ekavachanam. This is all the differences. So this in 2 minutes or so, this is the crux of nich pratyaya. Now we see examples. Pratamaha Guruhu balakena lekham lekhayati. So this examples we can have either in Sanskrit, Hindi or in English. So Guruhu balakena lekham lekhayati, that Guru is making the balaka right. So lekham lekhayati nich pratyaya. Here is where the nich pratyaya is used. Balakena lekham lekhayati, through the balak. Balak se lekh lekhana, in that sense. So you can either say in English or in Hindi. Dvitiya. Sundarji कृपया वदतु द्वितीय किं
द्वितीय
भवति?
So खलः is दुष्टः. So दुष्टः दुष्टों से दुष्टों के द्वारा या नौकरों के द्वारा धन चुराते हैं.
तो खलः दुष्टः वा खलः अथवा दुष्टः नौकरों के द्वारा, not दुष्टों के द्वारा. हाँ, this is the correct. हाँ, सत्यं सम्यक् अस्ति. षष्ठ.
Sixth one is पुत्रं सत्य भाषयति.
Satyam, they have made a mistake. It is
Satyam. Putram satyam भाषयति. So child speaks the truth.
Son speaks the truth.
Son speaks the truth.
Putraha, right?
No, see, the thing is, here is where this interesting thing comes, right? Like there was the apavada. So the putraha has become putrena, right? So it should be putrena, but since bhash dhatu is used, then it will be putram, like balam griham gamayati. So putram satyam bhashayati means putra se satya bolata. Through the putra, satya is spoken. Or but he is making the putra speak satya in that sense. The putra is made to speak satya. Putram. So if it were putraha, then Sundarji, your translation is correct.
Correct.
Yes.
Putram, putra se, putra ke dwara.
Because, when we discussed it yesterday, we said there has to be the person who makes the person do something.
Yes.
So that was missing
Here it
here.
is not, yes, of course. So the
I was not
karta,
sure.
prathama bhakti ekavachana karta is not here, satyam. So here janakaha putram satyam bhashayati, you can say
Yeah,
father is.
that's what. So, I thought.
The next one, for example, bhavaneva tu sundarji, satyam.
So the father, Pita is again, prathama ekvachana hai. Putram Chandram Darshayati. So to the sun shows, or through the sun shows the moon. Chandram Darshayati.
So the SON sun.
Yeah.
Sun, the moon is shown. Yes, correct, by the father. Father is shown.
By the father.
Satyam. Astu. Abhaji कृपया वदतु तृतीया.
बालिका बालं swapayati. The girl is making the boy.
Correct. Boy.
It's not dream. Swapayati, I forgot again.
Sleep also is swapayati.
Sleep.
Swapahatu.
Okay. The girl is making the boy sleep.
Correct.
So she's putting the little boy to sleep.
Satyam. Bhavati eva vadu ashtama.
Mitram vartam shravayati. So somebody is making the mitra listen to the news.
Correct. Listen to the speech also, you can say. Or news, speech. You can say. Vartam, samachar, news. Astu. Bhavati eva ekadasha. Ramam
Gangam Uttarayatu. So again, Dasharath is making Ram get into Gangaji.
Satya. Bahu samyak asti. Sumanjayji कृपया वदतु चतुर्थ.
So Uttarayatu is to cross over, par karna.
Uttarayatu, par karave, it will not be lat lakara. It will be lot lakara.
It will be lot.
Correct. So,
But it
yes.
will not get into.
Get
It
into.
is
It is
cross.
It is making cross, making them cross.
Correct.
The
It
cross.
should, in that sense. In Hindi, if you want to say it is par karave, it should make the Rama cross in that case.
Yes.
Samajayji, Chaturtha.
हरिहि देवान अमृतम भोजयति. हरि देवताओं को अमृत पिलाता है.
सत्यम, पिलाता है. लट लकार बहु सम्यक् अस्ति. नवम
गुरुं गृहं प्रवेशयति.
Sorry. This, because I was looking at this, Harihi Devan Amritam Bhojayati. So you are making the whole idea of this exercise is to get somebody else to do something, not to feed somebody. Because now that Harihi Devon ko khana khilate hai, it is like Harihi Devon के द्वारा देवों के उनसे खाने को कहते हैं, like पढ़वाना, लिखाना. So I was trying to figure out how to interpret this sentence.
Any response?
So, yes, so what I was thinking, we can do that classical thing. We will do an adhyahara here. We will say, Harihi Mohini Rupena Devan Amritam Bhojayati. So that becomes the Tritiya, Prerana. So he is using the Mohini Rupa to give, because I mean we know the reference here in this case.
Here, Harihi Devan Amritam Bhojayati, Bhojanam somebody is doing. That is, Devas, Devatao are doing Bhojanam.
Or the context of it, and then we can use a Preranarthaka.
You can use Preranarthaka, but in this sentence, that Tritiya is not here. So they have done Nich Pratyaya, but Tritiya is not necessary because they have not translated the sentence. So they have just kept it in Kartrivacya in the sense, Harihi Devan Amritam Bhojayati. So Devatao are eating. Bhojayati, making eat. That's it. Hari is making the Devatao eat Amrita. So in this way, Devan Vitya Bahuvachanam. Devan Vitya Bahuvachanam, Amritam Bhojayati. Bhojayati Nich Pratyaya. Abhaji?
Where we are stuck, we can use the Prerana Shabda also. Hari देवताओं को अमृत पीने के लिए प्रेरणा दे रहे हैं.
You can, but that would not be straightforward. This is very straightforward. Somebody is doing bhojanam. So if you are making somebody do bhojanam, that means what? You are feeding them. That's not. Hari is feeding, making them eat. That is all. Khana khilata hai. Aise. He is giving them food. That.
अच्छा, I thought what Sundar ji's question was literally खिला नहीं रहे हैं, वो खाने के लिए प्रेरित कर रहे हैं. That is the sense he wanted to bring.
Sundar ji? I thought the question was whether it should be made to feed. What is the question, Sundar ji?
Yeah, the question came up only in terms of this exercise, that Prerana Shabda. So when you say Harihi Devan Amritam Bhojayati, Harihi is feeding the Devas is like I would have used the word Bhojati or something, not Bhojayati.
But Bhuj Dhatu has become Bhojayati. Bhuj Dhatu, jaise Aham Bhojanam Naiva Bhogyam Na Bhokta, that Bhuj Dhatu, that has become Bhojayati with Guna. U has become O here. Like Swap Dhatu became Swapayati.
No, but the Swapayati is a Prerana Shabda, right? If I were to say he is putting the child to sleep, I would say Saha Balakaha Swapiti, not Swapiyati.
Swapayati.
Swapayati. I would just say Swapati, right? Because like that Bhavadi Guna kind of thing, I mean, he is putting बच्चे को सुलाता है.
But the point of the Nich Pratyaya is that I has to be added.
Yeah, it has to be added. But it means you make somebody else do something, and that was my question here. Ki it is very difficult for me to see how Bhagavan is making the Devas eat something. I mean, like that I was trying to understand this sentence.
He is making the Deva eat it. So what would be a better way? I mean, you can say Dadati, Harihi Devan Amritam Dadati, you can say, but in this context you have to use Nich Pratyaya. You say he is giving Amrita to the Devas. But Bhojayati, because Bhuj Dhatu you have to use, right? Abhaji?
I'm sorry. To get the exact meaning, I think for me also, if प्रेरित करते हैं या करने को कहते हैं, if I have to translate in Hindi, then it has to be like that. So see the balika balam swapayati. If she is putting him to bed, then where is the prerana here? She's asking him to sleep because it's good for you, whatever. Prerit karna is that sense, right? If I'm making somebody sleep, then actually it's doing the job. It is not inspiring somebody to do the job.
That's okay. Nich Pratyaya is both. It is not just inspiring. Nich Pratyaya is to make somebody do. Like Guru Balakena Lekham Likhayati. Guru is not inspiring Balaka to write something. Guru is saying you write, that's all. Or like Pita Chandram Darshayati. So Guru Pita is not saying, oh, I will inspire you to see the moon. I say, I am going to make you see the moon. Right? He is showing the moon. Darshayati. Like you can say, like Atmajnanam Darshayati Guru. So Guru is not inspiring us as such. Right? Guru is just saying, like there is no, like in the pure form of the word, that prerana is not like pushing us to do something. He is showing it. That's it. Jnanam is being shown, or what Atma is. Or here, easy example, Chandra is being shown. So when we talk about prerna, it is in equal essence to make somebody do something. Like Kalaha Vrityena Dhanam Chorayati. So that bad man, he's not going to inspire some good man to go and steal, right? He is going to say, I'll make you go and steal. This will be the thing.
Correct. It's carry on. Because, see, again here, Harihi is making the Deva eat. Like that, the sentence is just a bit odd. I think Chandran, Darshayati, etc. is relatively easy to relate to.
Satya. It is a little awkward, but we have to use Bhuj Dhatu. What they mainly want to show us in this context is these words, right? Is Lekhayati, Chorayati, Swapayati. Everywhere, in which pratyaya they are used. So Bhuj Dhatu, Bhojayati, Darshayati, Shravayati, Bhashayati, Praveshayati, whatever. You think they want to show the Nich Pratyaya's usage here. So, but we have seen, right, in earlier abhyasas also, not all the words in the sentences make super meaningful meanings or whatever. They don't give us such a wonderful meaning. Sometimes it is more important for us to focus on what the usage of the word is.
Sure.
That is their point here. You are correct, it is a bit odd, but more important here is that the Bhuj Dhatu has become Bhojayati. Like Bhunjanam in that way, Bhojayati. Abhaji, your question also is resolved?
Yes. So prerna, the way I was taking in literal sense, वैसा नहीं है.
Yeah, it is not necessary. It is more important. Nich pratyaya always is in that context only. You are making somebody do something. Like through something is happening. In that way. Through
So
a second.
more than inspiring, instigating also can be various sentences like that. Yeah.
Instigating also. Yeah, instigating, and some even stronger words if you want to use, you can, like
Getting
coercing. You can use that. Getting somebody to do something, right? Astu. Dr. Sumanjay ji, vadatu dwadasha.
नहीं है ना? He has dropped, I think.
Okay, Abhaji bhavati vadatu sajjanam annam grahayishati.
Sajjanam annam grahayishyati. So sajjan log nahi, somebody like a Vaishya is getting the sajjanas enjoy the food, eat the food, grahan karne laga rahe.
Manushya sajjanam annam grahayishyati. Grahan karne, they bana, like he's making them eat. So you would say,
So I was imagining the grahastha brahmachari situation, like who
you can
like that.
say anything. Grahan karvaega, वैसे grahayishyati, lit लगाना, future.
ग्रहण करवाएगा.
Grahayati is करवा रहा है.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे ग्राहयिष्यति
ग्रहयिष्यति है तो करवाएगा.
करवाएगा वैसे. सत्य. Bhavati tu Abhaji, because there is a lot of repetition here, so we will only do selected ones. Trayodasha.
मित्रम नगरम प्रापयति. So वह मित्र को नगर पहुंचा रहा है.
सत्यम. अष्टादश.
गौः गोः दुग्धमेतत्. ग्वाला सिंगुलर है ना? गौः हाँ. गाय से दूध निकलवा रहा है.
नहीं,
कैसे होगा ये?
गाय का दूध है बस. दुग्धम एतत् गोः दुग्धम. This is guy milk, cow's milk, that's all. Goho dugdam etat. Etat means this, right? ये. He is getting. कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे.
ये कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे.
नहीं कुछ नहीं. बस गोहो. ये गाय का.
Somebody is making the cow give the milk.
No, there is no. That is not. I mean, you can say that, but the sentence is not saying that. Sentence is just saying goho dugdam etat. So this is गाय का दूध. ये एतत इज ये, गोहो गाय, दुग्धम दूध, गाय का दूध है बस, ये गाय का दूध.
Actually, Goho is Panchami or Shashti.
Here it should be Shashti because
It's Shashti, cow's milk.
Cow's milk, correct.
काऊ का,
हाँ, गाय
का
का,
की के काऊ का,
correct.
गाय का दूध है. तो अब इसमें हमने जो प्रत्यय सीखा उसका कहाँ उपयोग हुआ है?
कुछ हुआ नहीं, यहाँ पे निच प्रत्यय का ये प्रयोग है नहीं. It is only some sentence. गोहो दुग्धम एतत् वत्सं. It is गाय का दूध. ये है ये गाय का दूध है बस.
To test if we are awake.
हाँ, exactly. सुंदर जी सप्तदश.
17th. So Gama on here.
हाँ.
So Gama is Dvitiya Ekavachan. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachan. Gam.
हाँ.
So Gam on here. Bring cow.
बस. Bring cow. That's all. गाय को लेके आओ, लाओ, whatever. Bring cow. Bring cow is best. Yeah. This is a commonly used statement of this. In Mimamsa and all, they will say Gamanaya, bring the cow. Some things we didn't see. 15th we didn't see. Chatvaro Vedaha, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda, Atharvaveda. There is nothing to see here. These are the 4 Vedas. Shodasha, Gau, Swapiti, Swapatu, Swapyat, Aswapat, Swapseti va. All 5 main lakaras are given. Lat, Lod, Lung, Vidhiling. Lat, Lod, Vidhiling, Lung, Rit. All 5 dhatus are given in Va. This Hindi to Sanskrit is not, we don't have to do in super detail. We just do one of each and move on. सुंदर जी बहाने हुए तो कृपया राम नौकर से काम कराता है. हाँ, दिस विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग. सुंदर जी वदतु.
रामः वृत्त्येन कार्यं कारयति.
बहु सम्यक्, वेरी सिंपल. अपि च नवम.
भाई बालक को सुलाता है. सो भ्रातुः बालकं स्वपयति.
भ्राता बालकं स्वापयति. सत्य. भवान ये तो नहीं, दुष्ट नहीं चाहिए, कुछ अच्छे. हाँ, ये कर सकते हैं. त्रयोदश.
सो मित्र को घर में प्रविष्ट कराए. सो इट विल बी मित्रम गृहे. into the mitram grahe pravishyatu.
प्रवेशयतु.
प्रवेशयतु.
गृहम यू कैन से. मित्रम
ग्रह और ग्रहे नो घर में,
लेकिन वो द्वितीय में होना. हाँ, घर में, लेकिन अगर प्रवेश हो रहा है, जनरली इट इज बेटर टू से गृहम ओनली. लाइक गृहे इज का, लाइक सम पीपल यू नो विल से we will go in the city. To say we will go to Rishikesh. So you say we will go to Rishikesh. Why in the city? So in that sense, it is just more shuddha to say griham. Grihe is grammatically not incorrect. It is still correct. So Bhavane wa Sundar ji, गाय सोती है. Simple one.
We see so much of it outside on the road. So Gauha Swapiti.
Gauhu.
Guy, right?
Guy.
Gauhu Swapiti.
Gauhu Swapiti. अस्तु. आभाजी द्वितीय पित्रा पुत्र से.
Gohu, right? The word that we had read.
Gauhu. Goho और Gauhu. Right?
So Goho जो मिल्क वाला था, गाय का दूध है.
हाँ.
So because it was गाय का.
हाँ.
Otherwise it will be Gauhu.
Gauhu. हाँ. पंचमी and षष्ठी एकवचनम are Goho. प्रथमा एकवचन गौ. अस्तु. अबाजी द्वितीय पिता पुत्र से
पत्र लिखवाता है.
हाँ.
पितृः. पिता पुत्रम.
हाँ.
पत्र लेखयति
लेखयति सत्यम, पुत्र से लेखयति
पुत्र से।
तो पुत्र से पुत्रेण
पुत्र के द्वारा।
समीचीनं, सम्यक्। अस्तु, भवती एव अष्टम
पुत्र को शिला पर बैठाता है। So this is पुत्र को. So here it is पुत्रम, right?
हाँ, पुत्रम बोल, सत्यम, पुत्रम।
पुत्रम शिला पर।
शिलाम, शिला पर।
अच्छा, शिला पर कार्य हो रहा है। हाँ, so पुत्रम शिलाम तिष्ठ।
ये धातु प्रयोग करना है यहाँ पे, आशय, आस धातु।
आसयति।
आसयति, बहु सम्यक्। आसयति, स्थापयति, यू कैन से आसयति इज करेक्ट। इफ यू वांट टू यूज तिष्ठ देन यू से स्थापयति, बट आसयति इज करेक्ट। हाँ, भवती एव पंचम पिता पुत्र को गीता समझाता है। हाँ।
पिता पुत्रम गीता अवगमयति।
बहु सम्यक् अस्ति। गीताम बिकॉज़ गीता द्वितीया एक सम्यक्।
यस, गीता पर कार्य हो रहा है।
हाँ, भवती एव पंचविंशति।
वह सोता है, सह स्वपिति।
बहु सम्यक्, सो सिंपल। सी दीज आर ऑल वेरी इजी। त्वं स्वपिसि, अहं स्वपामि, these are all quite simple shabdas. So the ones that we didn't do, for example, if we have to do, tritiya will be guru shishyam gramam gamayati, dushtah dhanam chorayati, dushtah dhanam chorayati, pita we did, mitrah bhojanam bhojayati. Simple ones. Sorry, mitram bhojanam bhojayati. Then guruhu शिष्येण चत्वारः वेदाः पाठयति. So these are all quite simple. There is no great rocket science to any of this. Ashtama putraha shilam, we did that. Navama also we did. Dashama mitrena dharmam bhashayati. So there is no great imagination that we have to use at all in any of this. Where there is ko, dvitiya. Where there is se, tritiya. Bas. And these we don't have much prayoga, so we don't need to do in super detail. पिता पुत्र को सूर्य दिखाए, पिता पुत्रम सूर्यम दर्शयति।
पिता पुत्रम
सूर्यम दर्शयति। दुष्ट को पेड़ पर चढ़ाए, दुष्टः वृक्षम।
तो मतलब दुष्टम।
सॉरी, दुष्टम, सत्यम, धन्यवादः। दुष्टम वृक्षम आरोहयति।
पेड़ पर will be on the tree, right?
On, but vriksham you can say. You don't have to say vrikshe. Generally, if there is on, you have to use vrikshe. But here, because this nich pratyaya prayoga asti, arohayati. In that, because of that, vriksham. It is. What is the next one? Krishna. Krishna ko Krishnam Yamunam uttarayati. Simple. There is nothing. There is nothing.
Krishnam Ramam Gangam को कृष्णम यमुनाम कर दिया।
उतना ही। और बालकम पुस्तकम ग्राहयतु, पकड़ाए, उत्तारयतु, दिस will be उत्तारयतु, ग्राहयतु, प्रापयतु, हारयतु, all this. लोट लकार will be used. And here गाय सोती है, गऊ स्वपिति, बछड़े को देखो। बछड़े क्या बोल सकते हैं? वत्सम, you can say. वत्सम पश्य, देखो, पश्य। नौकर, भृत्यः, नहीं, नौकर को भृत्यः,
स्वामी का दास।
भृत्यः, दासम, दासः, you can say. गाय का दूध दोता है, गाय का दूध, गोहो दुग्धम दोहयति. तो ऑल दिस इज क्वाइट सिंपल. गाय के लिए तो फोर्थ केस, चतुर्थी विभक्ति, गवे, गवे जलम anaya. Nothing is there. It's all very simple examples.
See, the word Nyapayishyami.
Nyapayishyami.
Yeah, that is not. Nyapayishyami is not Prerna Shabda.
No, I will make you remember. Jnapanam is to know, right? I will make you know. Jnapanam, I will. Jnapayishyami, future. Brahmate Bravani. I am going to tell you. But Brahmate Jnapayishyami. I will make you know.
Make you know. That is the word.
That is a good, that's a very nice example that they have not given further. Exactly. So that example we saw in Pradanyaka in detail. Saha swapiti, tvam swapisi, aham swapami, swapimi, aham swapimi. Saha swapitu, it will be sove, and tvam swapihi, I guess. Swapihi, jaise bruhi, tvam swapihi. Aham swapani. And all these are different lakaras. Saha aswapat, tvam aswapihi, aham aswapam. Saha swapishyati. So there is no, swapsyati they had given, right? They had given swapsyati. So saha swapsyati. There is not much to do here. Rama bhrityam karyam karoti. Rama bhrityena karyam kareti. Because bhrityam karyam karoti is not shuddha. Bhrityena tritiya karayati in each pratyaya. Shishyena grame nasti. Gramam. This is the question, Sundarji, that you also had, right? Grihe, I think it came, or grame. Generally, it is better to say gramam because nich pratyaya is prayoga is done. And gamayati, so gamayati will not have tritiya, gamayati will have dvitiya through that sutra. Gati buddhi avasanartha. This sutra. Gati buddhi avasadanartha. Gati buddhi avasadanartha. Shabda kama kirm.
See, where they have given the examples there in that page, the exercise, see, they have said jhana. So you take that as the gamaya dhatu, because in all the examples, they have not given that word.
Yes, exactly. But they have given gati, right? This is the gati, buddhi. So for all the buddhi, so jnana. Jnana dhatu is not here, jnana dhatu. But jnana dhatu is also part of the exception. Because it is a buddhi artha dhatu. The sutra is this. Gati buddhi pratyavasanartha shabda karma kanamani kartasanau.
So grahana is also jnana, right?
Yes. Grahana is
all that will come under this.
Dvitiya, exactly. All those things will all come under Dvitiya. So you get to see the meaning of the dhatu also. Then swapati swapami nasti swapini. Swapet nasti swapyat. Ka ko lot revealing lang mein badlo. We have done this. We will just do one of each maybe. Sundarji Kripala too is making easy because we don't have to do it in detail. This swap dhatu only. Lot and lung.
So swap dhatu in lot. So swap dhatu in lot will be swapitu.
And lung?
And the lung will be lung is past tense, right? So therefore aswapita. Aswapit.
Sorry. Aswapit, I guess. You can see in that. Maybe you are correct. I think it is aswapit actually.
No, it says here optional. Aichik. Athava, not aichik. Athava.
So
aswapit or aswapata. Aswapat.
Acha, ठीक है.
Both you can use.
Okay, nice. Great. So both are correct. And Abhaji Kripaya too, Vidhiling apicha lit. Lat and lit. Vidhiling also you can do. Okay, Vidhiling and lit.
Same dhatu, is it?
Swap dhatu. Correct. Swap dhatu only.
Lrit, you said?
हाँ जी.
Swapsyati.
Satyam. Vidhiling.
Vidhiling will be swapyat.
Swapyat. That's all. So all this is for saha. If it were aham, it will be different. Tvam, it will be different. That all.
Yeah. That's
It goes for the same young dhatu only. We use the word smar, right? Where did they use the word smar for?
For past tense.
Or past tense?
Aham patami smar.
Smar.
But I don't think they want us to use such shortcuts here.
No.
No, but it is allowed. It is just not like it doesn't come often in the books, etc. The great acharyas, they don't prefer to use such easy words. Ghar ko bahuvachan banao, we have done that. We didn't do it, but it is not difficult. So swapiti will be swapanti. Swapitu, swapantu, aswapit, aswapan, swapyat, swapyuhu, swapsyati, swapsyanti. There is no great logic, the great memorization necessary on this. Iti, ati will become anti, generally. Atu will become antu. स्वप धातु के 10 लकार के पूरे रूप लिखो बाद में जब टाइम मिला. मिले प्रेरणार्थक धातुओं में वैसे किन धातुओं के साथ मूल धातु के कर्ता में तृतीया नहीं होती, स उदाहरण लिखो. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव डन ऑल दिस टाइम. ऑल दीज धातुस चुरादिगण के विशेषता लिखो. विल कम टू दैट. ऑल दीज धातुस एक्सेप्ट गति बुद्धि अर्थ प्रत्यय. ऑल दिस गति बुद्धि प्रत्यवसानार्थ कर्मा कर्म whatever that sutra, gati buddhi pratyavasanartha shabda karma karma kanamani kartasa now. So in all these dhatus it will become dvitiya. In all other dhatus tritiya. Satyapapasha rupa veenatula, all that. That is this sutra. That is 3125 Satyapapasha rupa veenatula. This sutra. All these shabdas and these arthas will have Nich pratyaya and tritiya vibhakti, and then the apvada was given later. Hetu maticha also, and the exception is given later. Okay. And this what gana? चुरादि गण की विशेषता लिखो. चुरादि गण की क्या विशेषता होगा, याद है किसी को? चुरादि गण में लकार, सॉरी गण में विकर्ण प्रत्यय आय जैसे नीच. So this is why नीच and चुरादि are together. धातुओं के प्रेरणार्थक रूप लिखो. Maybe we can do this. पट धातु will be सुंदर जी is 5.
पाठयति, लेखयति, गमयति, then drishyati, darshayati, and duhyati.
Dohayati. So they here the duhyati. Sorry, duhyati they had given duhyati. Duhyati is with ardha dhatuka lakara. Where that we had that sarva dhatuke yak, right? The earlier sutra. So with that sarva dhatuka 4 lakaras, it will be duhyati. But
here it will have to be doghyati.
Yes, that is the apavada. So they had given dugdam, dogde, dogdi.
Dogde, we did the dog.
That is so
doghyati.
Yes. So the u has become o. This is what we have to know, that this is the meaning of guna, right? Patha here is pa plus a.
Yeah.
Akara becomes akara.
Correct.
E will become a, lekhayati.
Yeah.
Gam dhatu is exception, so it stays gamayati. Drish, r will become ar. Drish, darshayati. Duh, do. But in do...
So when drish becomes ar, what did we say it became?
Darshayati.
Correct.
Pradarshakam, pradarshakaha, all these sabdas come, right? The person who makes a tree.
Oh yes, we didn't make that link to that.
And duh, u will become o, guna. So do. But after do, they had given, through that one sutra was there, that ha will become dha. Said ho hantir nirneshu. One of those sutras they had given. Earlier we had seen, and we saw dogdi. There was a sutra, special sutra that made that the pa into dhakara. It is written 8 to 37. It is 8 to 37. Ekacho basho bhashu. This sutra, there is one sutra that makes the hakara in duh dhatu into dhakara. Ekacho basho bhash jhashantasya radho. This is the sutra that makes hakara into dhakara. So because of that reason, it will be dobdham, dobdhi. Abhaji कृपया वदतु till as. What will it be? निच प्रत्यांत प्रेरणार्थक रूप.
स्वापयति, प्रपयति,
प्रापयति,
प्रापयति. आप is already आप, so आपयति.
नहीं, prap.
Oh, okay, that's together. Prapayati. Churaditi.
No, U will become O. A to A, E to A, U to O. So chur will be
A to A.
A to A, E to A.
And cho will be cho.
Satya.
No.
Correct.
Cho. Correct. Okay. So chorayati.
Chorayati.
Chorayati, not A. Okay. Kath. Will be Kathayati. Kathayati, not A.
This is the exception, one of the other dhatus. Like gam dhatu, gam is not gamayati. Gamayati. Like they say, kath will be kath.
That exception sutra will apply here. Kathayati. Then
Bhujati.
Bhojayati.
Satya. And as.
Bhojayati. Asayati.
Asayati. So others also are very simple. Shru shravayati, bhash bhashayati, arohayati, praveshayati, uttarayati, grahayati. Kru will be harayati, kru karayati, dhru dharayati, pat patayati. These are all ready.
Sorry, one question.
Yes.
Pat becoming patayati. So we are adding guna. Guna is only a. Vriddhi is a.
Sorry, we are adding vriddhi. They had given that rule, right? Upadha and.
But एक previous letter वाला rule दिया था ना?
Correct. So here this एतुमति में धातु के अंतिम को वृद्धि, उपधा को गुण,
second last को गुण.
अंतिम को.
ये विनर और रनर का कॉन्सेप्ट है.
ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिनि व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. ओम